Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy but yet delicious burrito bowl. So to get started, you are going to be needing some bell pepper. I have one red bell pepper and one green bell pepper underneath here, and I have half an onion chopped up. You can use either white onion or red onion for this. And you are going to be needing a teaspoon of each of these seasonings. So I have garlic powder, and I have lemon pepper seasoning, and I have some of my Slap Your Mama seasoning and paprika. And you are going to be needing some fresh parsley for garnish, and I have some tomato that I diced up, one avocado, and a piece of lime. And I have some corn. You can either use canned or frozen corn. And I have some quinoa that's already cooked. I do have a video up on this channel showing you guys how I make my quinoa. And I have some black beans here that's already cooked. If you're interested on how I cook this, give this video a thumbs up or let me know down in the description box. And I have 2 pieces of tilapia that I'll be using. And of course, you are going to be needing a little bit of olive oil and some salt and pepper to taste. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video. So let's get cooking, guys. To get started, we are going to go ahead and season our fish. You guys know I always like to clean my fish with lime. So all I did was take that lime and then scrub it all over my fish and rinse it under some cold water. So now it's time to season that little fish fillet. So a little bit of garlic powder, like I said, about half to 1 teaspoon of each of these seasoning, and then some of that lemon pepper. Lemon pepper and fish is like magic. I love the two together. And a little bit of my Slap Your Mama, just because they have a little bit of heat and also have a little bit of salt in there as well. So now you want to just flip them to the other side so you can get some nice seasoning in there as well. Okay. If you haven't already, please go follow me on Instagram and also Snapchat and Facebook, and I will leave all the link in the description box for you guys to check out. And now I'm going to take a little bit of lime juice, about a teaspoon or so of lime juice, and squeeze on both sides. Okay, so now you want to set that to the side and we can start cooking our veggies. Okay, you want to go ahead and turn your stove on to medium high, and I'm using an iron skillet, and I'm going to put a couple teaspoons of olive oil, and you want to go ahead and put in your peppers and onions. Okay, and you want to go ahead and cook this for a good 5 minutes. I want a nice char to some of it, so I'm going to just let it be, and I will not stir it for a good 3 to 4 minutes, and then I'll flip them over, and then we can start seasoning them up. As you guys can see, it's starting to have that little char color on there. So now this is when I like to season my peppers and onions. So put a little bit of salt, and we're going to put a little bit of black pepper. Okay, and I'm just going to cook it for another 2 minutes, and then I'll take it out, and then we can start heating up our corn. Okay, so same for the corn. You want to put as much or as little corn as you'd like, and do not touch it for a few minutes so you can get that nice char on each side. Okay, so just let it be for a few minutes. Okay, same with the corn. As you can see, it have the char mark. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove it, and then we can start cooking our fish next. As you can see, it is popping just a little bit, almost like I'm making some popcorn. I'm going to drizzle in a little bit of olive oil. And now you want to go ahead and place your fish. And do not touch it for a good 2 to 3 minutes. You want to flip it when the other side is already done. When it starts turning white on the side, you know that it's done. You don't want to flip it too early so that way we don't break up our fish. Alright guys, our fish is basically done. I'm going to go ahead and squeeze a little bit more lime juice. And then move it to the side so it can rest. And while it's resting, it's going to continue cooking a little more. And then we can start putting our bowl together. Okay, now it's time to get our bowl together. If you want, you can definitely use some lettuce on the bottom. So I am going to start with my quinoa. If you don't like quinoa, you can definitely use some brown rice. And now I'm going in with my beans. I do have a video up in the channel showing you guys how I make pinto beans, baked pinto beans. I will leave the link up on top so you guys can click on it. And now you want to go ahead and put in, I'm going to put in my fish next. I love Qdoba, you guys. So this is like me doing my mini Qdoba at home, so I don't have to spend so much money. But I know making this video would be a little longer than I wanted. Okay, just like that. I went to Vegas last weekend, and this is all I ate before my trip just to get my body right. And when I tell you guys, I ate this for like 2 weeks straight, and my body was looking all right. Okay, and I did squeeze a little lime juice and add a little salt to my tomatoes. And let me go grab my avocado. Okay, so now you want to grab your avocado and just place it to the side, just like that. And then piece of lime. And now I'm going to hit this with a little bit of fresh parsley. Okay, and I'm going to squeeze a little bit of sour cream. You definitely don't have to, but I just love how it makes this dish look. Okay, just like that. And look at my bowl. You can't tell me I didn't go to Qdoba to make this. And now with my big old spoon, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit on the side because I want to take a nice picture for you guys. Okay, just take a little piece of the fish. The fish is so seasoned, that lime, everything. But of course I'm going to eat this whole thing, but I just have to save it to take a picture. But this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And I do really hope you guys try this recipe. I'm sorry if the video was a little too long, but as always, thank you so much for watching, and I love you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.